Hello everyone and welcome to our kitchen today. School holidays, a bit of an overcast yucky day here on the Sunshine Coast, and I've just had a bit of a chat with my three beautiful helpers today, and I asked them what they felt like for morning tea or brunch as it is, breakfast for some of them. And what did you all say, boys?
Crepes.
Crepes. Crepes. What did you have yesterday?
Waffles. Oh yeah, waffles.
Waffles. So today it's crepes. So this is so easy, this recipe. It's a recipe out of 4 ingredients, kids, where you're going to find a whole host of not just meals in minutes for dinners, lunchbox ideas, but you're going to get really sort of basic, ordinary things that you can cook with your kids, your little people at home as well. Think 2 ingredient cupcakes, 90-second microwave fudge, pancakes, just the basic essentials. So, all right, Flinny, into our bowl, what is our first ingredient? If you want to show everyone how we start making crepes.
Eggs.
Okay.
1 egg or 2 eggs.
We'll do 1.
It depends. Yeah, let's do 2.
Just do 1, so I think I've only got enough milk for 1 egg. Yeah, okay, so 1 egg in. Okay, so if we add 1 egg to our crepe mixture, 1 egg is going to make about 6 crepes, beautiful people. So if we add 1 egg, darling, what else have we got to add?
We need milk and water.
Okay, how much milk?
1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water.
1 cup of milk. So always pour your liquid over your bowl, do you think? So then if you spill it,
No, I've never spilled it.
okay, don't do that. Splashing everywhere. Oh my gosh. All right, and then we want 1 cup of water. So with crepes, and this is the main difference between crepes, do you want to whisk, darling?
Yes.
And pancakes. Crepes is made with 2 parts liquid, 1 part flour. So we've got 2 parts, 1 cup milk, 1 cup water, and 1 cup of plain flour. Now again, the difference between crepes and pancakes, because pancakes, 1 flour, 1 liquid, is the flour. We use for pancakes self-raising flour, and for crepes, what flour do we use, Flinny? Plain flour, so just 1 cup of plain flour. Now that's our 4 ingredients: egg, milk, flour, water, and what I wanted to do, because I just had them in my cupboard, I had a little bit of chia seeds. Now we love chia seeds because they add protein to anything that you are making. So I'm just going to add a little bit of chia seeds just because it's for these 3 beautiful boys, and I love that in their little busy bodies we add protein as well, because protein, what does protein do in your body? Builds muscles, doesn't it? So every time you eat protein, boys, your chicken, any kind of meat, things like that, building strong muscles. And I just had some nice ground cinnamon. Shall we add some cinnamon?
Yeah.
What spices do we usually add, Flinny?
Cinnamon and nutmeg.
Cinnamon and nutmeg. So we'll just do cinnamon today because we're out of nutmeg. Now I'm just going to turn down the heat. Now how does that look? I think that needs just a little bit more flour, do you think? So there we go. Just a tiny little bit more flour. And it's quite a runny consistency. So I've just got a little flat pan over a medium-high heat here. We can see it's starting to smoke a little. So we'll just reduce that. And then once the mixture's ready, we're just going to pour it in and then just oscillate it around the base of the pan so it covers the entire base of the pan. And then that's it. That's your beautiful little crepe. And you just then put whatever toppings on it that you like. Do you cook this at home? These are our 2 beautiful cousins all the way down from Mara in central Queensland. So do you cook crepes at home with your mummy boys?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
What's your favourite topping on crepes?
Just Nutella.
Nutella. What about some fruit? Banana. Strawberries.
Blueberries.
Do you know it's Wimbledon at the moment? Guess what the most popular dish at Wimbledon is, where they play the tennis?
Where are they playing?
In London, Wimbledon, yeah? No, do you know what they all eat? Strawberries and cream. Thousands and thousands and thousands of strawberries served with cream. So we've got to say, go Ash Barty. Do we want Ash Barty to win Wimbledon?
Yes.
Absolutely. Flinny, can you get me a little flipper, darling, please? So you can see I've just pulled up the pan. Let's get rid of that one. And I have just... I just put the filling, all right, we'll just leave those there, the plates. I pushed the filling all the way to the edge of the pan. This has probably been about, how long has it been in the pan, boys?
About 2 minutes.
About a minute. So I can sort of start to set up. Can you see how it's starting to set on top, darling? So you can see how it's starting to set on top. It's not looking too, oh, here we go. There's one just here. Thanks, Lena. Do you want to flip it for me, darling?
Yes.
So this is nearly ready to flip. So we've just had it. And hello, everyone joining us. How's your school holidays going? As chaotic as mine, perhaps. But anyway, if you've got your little people in your life this week, maybe you're a parent or a grandparent looking after them, bust out 4 ingredients kids, because the second a child enters the kitchen, they learn something. So, and kitchen's kind of not ready. Can I have a little look? Oh, I think it is Flinny T. Flipping so we can see it's just flipping over. It's nice and golden on the underside. You can see that. Who's having first crack?
Yeah, I help make it. I help make it.
Okay, well, here's a banana. Here, do you want to just slice that up, Oz, or Lots? And there you go. We'll get rid of the empty milk. We'll rinse that out. That can go to the recycle bin. Mulaney Dairy, thanks so much. You can see we've got a nice mound now. That is our first crepe. I'll just lift it up for you all. Done and dusted. Hang on. Voila. Okay, who's got the a plate? 30 seconds more.
30 seconds.
And then that is just going to slide straight from the pan onto the plate. All right, that's our first crepe. There's some Nutella. Who wants strawberries and berries? We've got that and fresh cream as well. And then we're going in with a little bit more of our mixed mixture. Okay, and Ozzy, what else? What other recipes do you like in 4 ingredients kids love?
M&M slice.
M&M. Oh, we should do M&M slice. So there's loads of really good slice recipes, cake recipe, cupcake recipes in little 4 ingredients kids as well. The healthiest chicken nuggets, all these big bad boys. Simple, easy crepes. Look for the crepes and the pancakes, so your kids will love them. Hello to everyone joining us. 4 ingredients kids. It's a great little recipe book. You'll love it, especially through holidays. If you are trying to entertain your children too, they've got to eat. Might as well get them in the kitchen cooking with you too. Just keep it simple, and that's the beauty of cooking with 4 or fewer ingredients. It's easy, and if they have success, they'll want to join you again. And every time they join you in the kitchen, they learn something, don't they? So there we go. You can see the base. I can have a look at that. I can see that the base, it looks, it's nice and warm through. So we're just going to flip that over again. So I've got a nice low spatula. You can see the upside is nice and brown. We'll give it another minute, and then the fighting will stop because the next person will have one. So anyway, beautiful people, I hope you're all well wherever you are, and kids aren't driving you too mad. But there's a simple, easy 4 ingredient crepe recipe. I think your family will love these holidays. Strawberries? Oopsie, oopsies. There you go. Just prepared to make a little bit of a mess. But you know what? Messes are easily cleaned up. So thanks, everyone. Have a great, happy Friday. You. Okay, Plinny, can you just demonstrate how you made yours? Come and show everyone what you did.
So, I had my crepe. I put Nutella all over the first base.
Yes.
Then I folded it over. And then I put Nutella on half, and then I put strawberries and banana on the second, then I folded it.
Ooh, yum. There you go, people. You heard it first here in the 4 Ingredients Kitchen. Bye, everyone. Have a fabulous weekend. Ooh, look at all these comments. Cooking with kids. Doesn't it excite the masses? Hi, everybody. Margie Lehman, love waffles and making them with my kids. Yes, we had them yesterday. Sharon Daly, hello from Ireland. Hi, hope it's warmer over there than it is here at the moment, Sharon. Beverly Linda Driver, is that recipe good for waffles? No, waffles I find to get a rise need self-raising flour, need baking powder, and need a bit of butter. Butter makes everything a little better, doesn't it? Diane Hayes, good to see the kids cooking. Oh, listen to the conversations. Flinny Turnbull, did you give your hair locks? There you go, darling. Did you give your guests their food first?
Nope.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Anyway, there we go, beautiful people. You can see me make 2. Really easy. Keep it simple. And your kids too will love it. Bye. Oh, Fleeny, I don't think I've hit it. Hamilton. Oh, ending now. Woo! Where's my little techie boy? There you go. You do it for me. Thanks, darling. You can't